them pretty thin. You don't want to go too thick. If you go thick, it's just going to take longer to cook. So I did it pretty thin. And today I'm going to use this Gaucho Churrasco rub. This is really good. I believe I had it on strip steak. I forgot, but this is very good. I know it's good on beef. I had it on beef. I know that for sure. Anyway, garlic, salt, bell pepper, parsley, black pepper, white pepper, chilies. Very, very good. It smells delish. So all I'm going to do is kind of just throw it in there. Just mix it around. Now for this, you could use any kind of rub you want. Whatever you want your potatoes to taste like. There's no right or wrong way, you know. You could do whatever you want. But yeah, that's it. So I did put some olive oil at the bottom of this bowl. I encourage that. This way, you know, you want everything to stick. You want the seasoning to stick to the potatoes. And so that's it. That's all I'm doing. Now, if you got leftovers of these potatoes, don't throw them away. Reheat them in the morning with some eggs or something. Always good. But anyway, all right. So that's what our potatoes are looking like right now. Just gonna go a little more. That's it. All right, guys. So I got the potatoes in the basket here. It's gonna take a little while, so I'm gonna let that go. Meanwhile, I got everything else almost ready. I just gotta finish prepping a little bit. We'll be back to throw on everything else. Alright guys, not sure if you could see this, but potatoes are starting to get a little color going on. That's good. Oh, just lost one. Alright, let's save that for the barbecue gods. But anyway, once they start getting a little color, that's my go-ahead. So I got a pan. I got about 2/3 a stick of butter. Alright, so that butter melted down pretty good. I got some onions and peppers. Sliced them up. Just throw that in the pan here. And something about the onions on the grill, even though this is in a pan, but the onions mixing with the butter, oof, got that sweetness. Oh man, from the onions, so good. So I'll let that go. Then a little extra credit today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a shot of bourbon in. It's been a couple minutes, we're gonna check it out. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice. Alright, we're looking for that nice translucent color in the onions. That's how I know if they're gonna be starting to get there. Not there yet. A couple more minutes. Alright, good stuff, good stuff. Oh my god, it smells so good. Potatoes are starting to brown up, crisp up nicely. That's it, man. That's it. The onions and peppers are just about there. These potatoes, oh man, they're looking good. Oh, this whole grill is smelling delicious right now. Holy moly! Oh, that's one thing about grilling and barbecuing. You get all your senses involved, you know. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. That butter bourbon. Oh, potatoes. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking those off in a minute. Oh man, come on over, guys. I'm cooking. Just took the veggies off. I'll put this. So I got some shaved ribeye. I saw it and I was like, oh man, I gotta get it. Never had it before. Not like this. I mean, do cheesesteaks all different ways, but never had this shaved ribeye. We're just gonna throw it on in here. All I did was some a little black pepper on top. That's it. A little black pepper. This would be great if you got a Blackstone. This is definitely a Blackstone meal right here. All you Blackstone guys, definitely make some beautiful cheesesteaks. All right, right now, so I got the pepper on there. Just gonna put a little Worcestershire. That's it. Let's see how fast this is cooking. All right, so right now we can see that this is done. This looks good. Just trying to break up some of the big pieces. Some of these are really big and long. All right, good stuff, good stuff. So, next step is we're gonna start melting some cheese on there. I got this Munster cheese from my local deli. Let's throw that on there. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Swiss, cheddar, whatever. Whatever makes you happy. This smells good. It looks good. I know it's gonna taste good. This is definitely a home run. So first things first, got my nice soft bread right here. Very nice. Let's see the potatoes. They turned out great. We got our potato chips going on. All right, this is a homemade sauce right here. Now this sauce I use for cheesesteaks, and it's easy. Anyone could do it. I like it. I love it. Not everybody's gonna like it, but whatever. Everyone's different. This is ketchup, some mayo, some cayenne pepper. I love it on my cheesesteaks. Love it. I'm definitely a big cheesesteak guy. I love my cheesesteaks. So, I didn't mix in the onions and peppers with the meat. Reason being, not everybody in my family likes it. Likes the onions and peppers. That's their problem. I love it. But anyway, you know, you don't have to do onions and peppers, or you could do onions, peppers, maybe some mushrooms, you know, whatever. I like that too. But anyway, this is how I'm doing it today. So yeah, I didn't mix it together just for that reason. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Oh man. It's a home run already, man. I haven't even tried it. I know this is gonna be good. All right, so now we got our nice healthy cheesesteak going on right here. I'm gonna try that meat. Wow. That meat is good. You know what, guys? Flavor your meat with whatever you want. You know, sometimes less is more, you know. So I just did black pepper Worcestershire sauce. Let me tell you something. It tastes good. It tastes really good. Then again, it's a shaved ribeye, so a little ketchup for the chips. That meat tastes good. I already tried a little piece of meat that tastes good. Potatoes, I tried already. Our potato chips taste good too. I'm gonna get into this. Look at this sandwich right here. Can you see that? I hope you can see that, because that is good stuff. Now we're gonna try it out. How do you guys like your cheesesteaks? What do you like on your cheesesteaks? Let me know. Comment, please. Wow. That's good. That is good. I could eat, I probably could eat this every day. Wow, that's really good. Listen, that buttered bourbon, that's key. Try it out. I'm telling you, try it out. It's really, really good. Try out these chips. We put that Gaucho Churrasco from Major Flavor Seasonings on. That's good too. With the potatoes, you can put on whatever you want, you know. Put on your favorite rub. Nice and thin, little olive oil. There you go. Guys, thanks for joining me. Hit like. Please subscribe if you haven't. Leave me comments, please. You guys enjoy your day. Enjoy barbecuing. Until next time, take care, guys.